देवेंद्रनगर में थी।
ओमे कहाँ स्कूल है भाई?
ये ना श्री बालाजी विद्या मंदिर।
ओमे का खासियत है भाई?
ओमे रुक नहीं नहीं तो बताई कहाँ से।
Good evening to one and all present here. I am Anna Panjwani of class 7, a proud student of Shri Balaji Vidya Mandir. Today I am highly privileged to describe the unique qualities of my school, Shri Balaji Vidya Mandir. Shri Balaji Vidya Mandir is situated in the heart of Raipur city. In our school, the fee structure here is very comfortable. Our school has various facilities that include a huge playground, indoor games, computer lab, science lab, laboratories where we can learn the experiments, co-curricular activities and sports activities. Shri Balaji Vidya Mandir is our second home. It is one of the best homes in Raipur. I am fortunate to be the student here where we can participate in sports at district, state, national and international level. The coaches here gives ample opportunities to the students. The teachers also conduct skill development programs and personality development classes where every child gets a chance to grow. The school makes sure that all the students reach their full potential and are encouraged to do right things always. The facilities in our institution are very helpful and empathetic. Our school management is too good. In our school, instruments are played like piano, harmonium, drums, tabla and many more. I feel very proud when I wear my school uniform. I am forever grateful to my school for being a pillar of strength in my life. Thank you.
Thank you, madam.